Hi, I'm Caroline Park of Keller Williams. LA City Council rejects rent hike moratorium but advances eviction protections for fire victims facing homelessness. Landlords and tenants continue to clash over relief measures, with tenants demanding protections and landlords warning of financial risks. The amended proposal includes eviction protections but tightens verification for fire impacted tenants. A relief fund for small landlords is proposed, but direct rental assistance remains a debated solution. Hi, I'm Caroline Park of Keller Williams. Please reach out if I can be a resource to you or someone you know for your real estate questions and needs.